We're gonna be making chocolate chip cookies, so you're gonna need a mixer or hand mixer or bowl, some brown sugar, some salt, some baking soda, some regular sugar, some vanilla, some flour, some eggs, and of course chocolate. Now I don't use semi-sweet chocolate chips. I use dark chocolate and I use them in rounds. So much better, trust me. I tried to set my camera up so that way you guys could kind of see the process and see what I'm doing, like while I'm doing it. So here at this step, I'm just going to start off with my sugars and my salt and my melted butter, and I'm just going to mix that together until it is all combined with no lumps. I have my baking soda and I'm just going to mix that with my flour. I also have some vanilla and I'm going to mix that with my eggs. Now this is the consistency you want from your butter and your sugars, nice and smooth. Now I'm just going to add in my eggs and vanilla, and I'm going to mix that until it is nice and smooth. You know, I got to keep the coffee on deck, you know, early mornings. This is what you want after you add in your eggs. You see, look at that, nice and smooth, nice and smooth. Now here we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. I messed this up. I was too focused on making the video instead of making the cookies. Gradually add your dry ingredients. Do not dump them all in at once like me, because you'll make a mess, guaranteed. And you'll risk the chance of over mixing it because it's so much to mix at one time. So you see what I did? I had to cover it so I wouldn't get flour everywhere. But yes, gradually add in your dry ingredients. Now you're gonna see me transfer this to another bowl because my recipe is very large and it was too big to mix into the mixer with the chocolate. So I just hand fold the chocolate into my cookies, so that way I'm not over mixing the batter, I'm not breaking up any chips or rounds. And this is our final product. Now we're gonna throw this in the cooler to chill for about 30 minutes and then bake our cookies. The cookies have baked, they look amazing, and they smelled so freaking good. And yeah, these cookies were bomb, super chewy and super gooey, super chocolatey. These will be the best cookies you ever make. Thanks guys so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you tried this recipe or you want to try it. I would love to hear from you guys. See you guys next time.